Java is a powerful general-purpose programming language. It is used to develop desktop and mobile applications, big data processing, embedded systems, and so on. According to Oracle, the company that owns Java, Java runs on 3 billion devices worldwide, which makes Java one of the most popular programming languages. To build Java applications, we need to download and install the necessary tools. In this tutorial, we will learn how to download and install the latest release of Java Development Kit, and then we will learn how to install IntelliJ Community Edition code editor as well. To do this, we have to open up the browser and download and install Java Development Kit. Java Development Kit has a Java runtime environment, a compiler, and a bunch of codes that we can use in the programs. To download Java JDK, we Google Java JDK, click on this link on oracle.com website to choose the proper version. Java SE is abbreviation of Java Standard Edition. Over here, there are different version of files for various version of platforms. I'm going to download the latest release, which is Java SE 16. Then we have to choose the proper platform. I'm going to download Windows x64 installer. Now, we must accept the Oracle license agreement and then we are able to download it. To install the downloaded file, we have to run it. I click on the next to go to next step. Here we can choose the installation folder. I prefer to install it in the default folder. So, I click on the next. And then close. We have installed our Java Development Kit and now we need a code editor to build Java applications. As I said before, I'm going to use IntelliJ, which is more flexible and have a bunch of plugins which help us to write our code easily. To download IntelliJ, we can Google it. Click on the link on jetbrains.com, and here we have two different versions of IntelliJ. IntelliJ Ultimate and IntelliJ Community Edition. To start Java programming, Community Edition would be definitely enough for us. It's free for download and use, even for commercial use. I click on the download to start the download. After downloading required files, we need to follow these steps to install IntelliJ. First of all, we run the downloaded file. Then we have to click on next. Over here, we can change the installation folder. I choose the default folder and click on the next. Now, I check 64-bit launcher box and associate all these extensions to IntelliJ. I'm going to also add launcher directory to the Windows path, which is needed later, and then I click on the next. Here we can choose start menu folder name. I'm not gonna to change it. After clicking on the install button, IntelliJ will be installed and is ready to use. That was all we need to set up the development environment for Java. But we will learn how to create a new Java project using IntelliJ later.